Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to show you how to take an animation from Photoshop and export it for use in other things. So lots of reasons why you would want to do this. You obviously are editing the animation in Photoshop or creating it in Photoshop, and you want it to go somewhere else. You want it to be a video or a GIF or something, so like an animated moving GIF. So I'll show you the ways to do that. So right here I created a simple animation. It's just a picture of me, and the animation is basically it dances across the screen. Really just walks. What we do is go into File, go down to Export, and Render Video. This will allow you to make a movie file. If you'd like to make a movie, you can select the file, the folder obviously where it exports, the different type of movie that you'd like it to be. You can select your settings, etc. That's one way. You would hit render when you have completed that. It's a very, it takes a long time to process, so I'm not going to click render, but that's the way you would do that. The next way is to simply go to Save for Web and Devices, and then we can click OK. And then we can select GIF from the drop down here. And if we save it as a GIF, it will actually just take the different animation slides and create an animated GIF out of it. So those are the different ways to export animation from Photoshop and be able to use them in different mediums. My name is Justin, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.